it's just, there is so much power. And it's very flickable. I think I already said that. It's, for the city I didn't find it difficult to manage, but at cornering, it is, you can feel the weight of it, but still the bike is crazy. It's absolutely something you don't need, because at high speed you have this power, extra power over 600, but you will not go much faster than with 600 because it's uncomfortable. You have no defense against the wind. So this bike doesn't make sense. But on the other hand, you get this status, you know, everybody I stop, they give me respect. They stop for me, say, wow, that's 1,000. Wow, you know, the girls like, because I get attention, and you know, attention is currency for them, so they get to me, they talk to me.